I'm speechless right now. Destroyer. Under the raw power of modern machinery, the 2,755-pound digger bucket attached to the massive Hyundai Robex 260 is tearing out tree stumps. The steel teeth, welded firmly, dig deep into the earth, pulling up roots along with dirt and rocks. The 55,000-pound excavator shakes the entire area. Amidst the thunderous roar, the stump boss grinder roars as it meets the tough wood stump. The grinding blade spins rapidly, sending sparks flying and wood dust swirling. Each thick layer of wood is worn down, transforming the stump into a smooth, flat surface with the high-pitched screech of the machine. Truly a steel beast. The old Soviet T-40 tractor roars beside the modern Panko.
Я почув.
Despite its age, the T-40 tirelessly pulls up tree stumps. The tracks tighten, and dirt and rocks fly in all directions. The people, working hand in hand with the machines, persistently clear every root. With impressive power, the T300 machine moves toward each large stump. The bucket digs deep into the ground, lifting both stump and roots with ease. Dirt and rocks fly in all directions as the stumps are overturned like toys. The scene is one of sheer power and efficiency. With exceptional power, the PTH 1400/820 all-road Petzolato with chipper roars fiercely, driven by the Scania DC-13 engine with 550 horsepower. The blades spin rapidly, tearing through hardwood like butter. With each rotation, massive logs are shredded, turning into wood chips flying in all directions. With just a small chainsaw, you might wonder what it could possibly achieve. But surprisingly, it can effortlessly cut down massive trees, even those uprooted by a storm. powerful and resilient. It turns the impossible into the possible. The M2030 wood splitter roars to life, its powerful engine delivering immense strength. Each split breaks the wood into smaller pieces, precise and fast. A reliable companion for the winter, it helps people prepare their heat source, ready to face the harsh cold. Leave a like or comment if you're fascinated by these powerful machines. Wow, this method of stump removal is truly fascinating. Using a spare tire to pull out stumps is a creative and highly effective technique. Stump removal done in an amazing way. The stump cutter attached to the 330 excavator works powerfully, its blades spinning rapidly and digging deep into the roots. The stump shakes, dirt and rocks fly everywhere. In just a few minutes, the massive root mass is efficiently cleared with impressive force. Like a steel monster, the Tyrex saw approaches the largest oak with impressive power. Each thick slice of wood is cut away, and the massive trunk gradually breaks down. The scene is both powerful and highly technical, showcasing the precision and strength of the machine.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen.
In the advanced wood processing line, the giant wood chipper runs non-stop. Wood is fed in, and the sharp blades spin rapidly, turning the trunk into fine wood chips in an instant. At the Wimmer sawmill, massive, sturdy logs are fed into the production line. The saw roars to life, its sharp blades slicing through the wood, cutting it into perfectly straight planks. Each cut stands as a testament to the power of technology and mechanical strength. Have you ever witnessed the wood flow at the factory? Here, the Cat machine works non-stop, its crane lifting each large bundle of wood and neatly placing it onto the conveyor belt. Every movement is precise and smooth, creating a powerful and professional operation chain. Leave a like or hit subscribe to not miss out on these amazing wood transportation journeys.
This one here, you don't have to, it's pretty well automatic.
Bringing an optimal solution for wood processing, Rabod combines the Zilog 800 log splitter with a sharp circular saw, creating a powerful wood-cutting system. Wood is quickly cut, split, and sorted. The machine roars as each piece of firewood neatly falls, ready for the upcoming winter. Witnessing the powerful operation on the site, the autonomous machine impressively loads poplar wood. Its flexible grabbing arm automatically lifts each log onto the truck, then moves smoothly for transport, all without a driver. Every movement is precise, powerful, and seamless. Explore the efficient wood chipping techniques in advanced wood processing, where the massive machine operates with incredible power. The sharp blades spin rapidly, turning each log into fine wood chips. The scene is truly impressive, showcasing the scale and strength of industrial wood chipping operations. The Ustuncarly 1600 oak cutting saw operates powerfully, with the 63-inch bandsaw slicing through the dense oak wood. The blade glides effortlessly, creating precise, smooth cuts. Each perfect slice allows the oak to be processed quickly and efficiently in the industrial production line.